ITIL Release, Control and Validation, RCV. The Release, Control and Validation module is one of the ITIL Service Capability modules. It will be of interest to professionals who are preparing for a career in IT service management. Introduction. Course objective and target audience. The course is best suited to professionals and individuals who have successfully completed the ITIL Foundation certification and wish to advance to higher level ITIL certification. RCV, being a capability module, is best recommended to those keen in pursuing the process aspects of its service management. This course will enable the participants with the desired technical knowledge and skills in improving service availability, performance and quality of service. Course agenda. This interactive e-learning program, with its structured course cover, will help in better understanding of the fundamentals and designing of services. The course will cover the topics listed on the slide. Certification Roadmap. This slide depicts the ITIL qualification structure. The tiered structure of the qualification offers candidates the choice to complement career goals by focusing their studies on key areas of interest. ITIL offers 5 different certification levels: Foundation, Practitioner, Intermediate, Expert, Master. ITIL uses a credit system. Ultimately, a total of 22 credits is required to achieve ITIL Expert certification. The RCV module is worth 4 credits. ITIL, Service Management Framework. ITIL is a framework, providing best practice guidelines, on all aspects of end-to-end service management. It covers complete spectrum of people, processes, products and use of partners. It provides a framework for the governance of IT, and focuses on the continual measurement and improvement of the quality of IT service delivered. ITIL is successful because it describes practices that enable organizations to deliver benefits, return on investment and sustain success. ITIL is adopted by organizations because it is vendor-neutral, non-prescriptive, best practice framework. Service Lifecycle Approach. This publication forms part of the overall ITIL service management practices and covers the design of appropriate and innovative IT services to meet current and future agreed business requirements. It describes the principles of service design and looks at identifying, defining and aligning the IT solution with the business requirements. It also introduces the concept of the service design package and looks at selecting the appropriate service design model. The publication also discusses the fundamentals of the design processes and the 5 aspects of the design. Services. Design of service management systems and tools, especially the service portfolio. Technology architectures and management systems. Processes. Measurement methods and metrics. The publication covers the methods, practices and tools to achieve excellence in service design. It enforces the principle that the initial service design should be driven by a number of factors, including the functional requirements, the requirements within the service level agreements, SLAs, the business benefits and the overall design constraints. Service management. Service management is a set of specialized organizational capabilities for providing value to customers in the form of services. Service, value proposition. Services are a means of delivering value to customers by facilitating the outcomes customers want to achieve without the ownership of specific costs and risks. Service management is a set of specialized organizational capabilities for providing value to customers in the form of services. Services may be defined by specifications, but customer outcomes are the genesis of services. Service functions. Functions are units of organizations. Functions are a way of structuring organizations to implement the specialization principle. Functions typically define roles and the associated authority and responsibility for a specific performance and outcomes. Coordination between functions through shared processes is a common pattern in organization design. Functions tend to optimize their work methods locally to focus on assigned outcomes. Service process. Processes define actions, dependencies and sequence. Well-defined processes can improve productivity within and across organizations and functions. A process is organized around a set of objectives. The main outputs from the process should be driven by the objectives and should include process measurements, metrics, reports and process improvement. Process control. The activity of planning and regulating the process with the objective of performing the process in an effective, efficient and consistent manner. Process. Service process. The generic process elements show data enters the process, is processed, is output and the outcome is measured and reviewed. The output produced by a process has to conform to operational norms that are derived from business objectives. The graphical depiction is presented on the slide.